sometimes it's necessary to change a ticket category. I'm going to show you how to do that. It's very easy. Within the ticket list view, if you notice all the way to the right, under category, if you click that option or that box, you'll be prompted to select whichever category you want to send that ticket to next. This one I'm going to send to my sales category. Now notice what happens right after I select that. It immediately brings me into a page where I'm able to add a reason why I'm moving this ticket. Once I do that, I also have an opportunity to assign a ticket to somebody within the team that manages that category. So I can do that right now. And I'm also able to make adjustments to custom fields that belong to the category that will be receiving that ticket. So I can do that too. I can adjust some of my fields. And when I'm done, I can save and finalize the change by clicking the button at the bottom left corner that says Change Category. And that is it. Thanks for watching.